A lockable riser system is a practical necessity for tiny house septic installations to prevent tampering and theft on remote sites. Start by selecting lockable riser lids rated for the load and exposure conditions you expect, choosing materials like heavy-duty polymer or stainless steel that resist UV degradation and corrosion. Measure the riser inner diameter and thread type before ordering to ensure a flush fit and gasket seal that prevents odors while allowing a padlock or tamper-proof bolt. For pumps and electrical components, install bolt-down enclosures anchored into concrete or sonotube footings using stainless steel hardware and use tamper-resistant fasteners that require specialty bits to remove. When siting risers, place them inside a fenced or gated area or behind a locked gate and orient access points away from road visibility to reduce casual theft while still allowing maintenance access. Mark every component with a unique serial number and log that number along with photographs and a GPS coordinate in a secure file so you can report loss quickly and identify replacements by exact model. Use stainless steel cable ties or rigid conduit as a secondary restraint for hoses and low voltage lines to make quick removal difficult without tools. For remote monitoring, consider simple sensors that detect lid removal or unusual liquid level changes and send alerts via cellular or long-range radio if you already use that kind of system. Common mistakes include relying on lightweight, non-locking lids that are easy to pry open, which you can avoid by choosing rated lockable lids and testing the fit and lock operation before leaving the site. Another issue is anchoring pumps with standard screws that corrode or strip. So use stainless steel through bolts into concrete pads and check torque periodically to keep them secure. Finally, some owners fail to document component details and location, which makes recovery or replacement slow. Keep a photo log with serial numbers and GPS coordinates and store it off-site or in cloud storage for rapid reporting and procurement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like riser security, septic system for tiny house work, so we can find local professionals and list the specific services needed. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips, component recommendations, and local leads to make securing remote systems easier for everyone.